Imagine growing plants so fast and healthy, you'll have hacked Mother Nature's cheat codes. Welcome to the future of gardening, deep water culture systems. Stick around because today, I'm about to unveil the secrets to becoming a DWC pro. Let's be real, traditional gardening can sometimes feel like watching paint dry. Ever been frustrated by slow-growing veggies or weird soil that just won't cooperate? Yeah, I've been there. That's exactly why deep water culture, DWC for short, is an absolute game changer. Picture this: lush, thriving plants in a fraction of the time, and here's the kicker: you don't even need a backyard. So what exactly is DWC? No, it's not the name of a secret plant cult, though honestly it feels just as magical. Deep water culture is a hydroponic method where your plant roots are suspended in nutrient-rich, oxygenated water. No soil mess, no guesswork, just pure, unfiltered growth power. Let's break down what you actually need to get started. First up, the reservoir. Grab a sturdy container to hold your nutrient solution. Think of it as your plant's all-you-can-eat buffet. Next, you've got to oxygenate that water. A simple air pump and some air stones will keep your roots happy, like a spa day for your leafy friends. For support, use net pots filled with hydroton, clay pellets, or rock wool. These keep your plants upright but let roots explore the water freely. And don't forget about pH. Your solution should sit between 5.5 and 6.5. Plants are picky. Give them the drink menu they crave. Look, setting up your first DWC system might feel a little like assembling IKEA furniture. Confusing at first, but so satisfying once it's done. You'll watch your plants explode with growth, roots dangling like underwater explorers. It's honestly one of the coolest sights for any gardener. But don't just set it and forget it. Just like kids, plants need attention. Watch for nutrient deficiencies or diseases and do a little regular maintenance. Take care of your system and soon you'll have a hydroponic haven right at home. Did you find this helpful? Smash that like button. Leave a comment with your burning DWC questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more pro gardening tips. Share this with your fellow green thumbs. They'll thank you later. Now you've got the basics locked down. But what's next? Stay tuned, because I'll be back with advanced DWC techniques. Think multi-level setups and yield-boosting secrets that'll seriously blow your mind. See you in the next one.